start with
5,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1,
go. Hi, I'm the maths mum. And this is?
Yes.
And this is?
Me.
And who is me?
Ella.
Ella. So, we have had the summer holidays.
Yay!
Did we all have a good summer holidays?
Yeah. Balls.
Did we do lots of swimming in the summer holidays?
Oh, none of me.
Not you, no. Did you do lots of singing in the summer holidays?
No.
Yeah, you did lots of singing. Did you do lots of maths in the summer holidays?
Nope. No.
You did no maths over the summer holidays? Well, in which case, today we're going to do a refresher, and I've made these lovely handy workbooks, 10 pages, 10 worksheets each, which go over everything in the foundations level, or level 1, or level 2, whichever level you're working towards. You want me to leave so you can do maths with Ella?
Yeah.
Not today. I'm going to work through these quickly with you. So, what we're going to do, so I've got the questions, we're going to hold them up and then we're going to do them one at a time. Okay, so, okay, have you got a pencil? Have you got a pencil? Yeah? Okay, the first one is for lamps, okay? And it's a simple matching one, okay? Ella, you have a simple matching one as well. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, right, get on with it, concentrate. Right, look at your sheet and work out the answer.
That one. Done.
Excellent. We have both successfully done our matching question.
Yay! Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is an interesting one.
Oh my God.
Right.
I'm scared.
Right, I'm gonna help Lance with his reading. Can you read it yourself, Ella?
No.
With a pointy finger. Okay, I'll help Lance. It says complete the sentence, and it says the tractor is
Down.
yeah, down or up on the grass. Is it down or up? And you have the aeroplane is, we have to put in up or down in the sky. Good girl, write it in. Good boy, you joined it to down. You're right. The tractor is down on the grass. Good luck. So Lance chose not to write the word, but he pointed towards it. Very clever. And what did Ella do? Ella wrote the word up. Good girl. Right.
Yay.
Ella's question.
Thank you.
Lance's question. Oh, got to hold it up. Look. 2 different ones. Right, we ready?
Ready, come on, get it, go.
On your marks, get set, go. It says, which shopping trolley is light? Which one looks light? Why? Because it's T. Yeah, you're right. And this one says which battery is, what's that word? Large. You're right, that one is right. Now, Lance, you put the correct answer in and then you took the other answer. So I don't know which is the right one. Can you circle the right answer, please? Which one is light?
And so that one is a good question.
That is the right question. So now, Lance, you've circled both answers. Now, can you put a big cross through the right answer? Put a big cross through the right answer?
No one.
Yeah, put a big cross through it so I know that one is the right answer. Okay? It is, it's heavy. The trolley that's full of items is going to be heavy, isn't it? Not light.
Mommy, look.
Yeah.
Yum, this yummy.
Yeah, yummy food. Right, this one is Ella's and this one is Lance's. Okay.
I love burgers.
Burgers, yes. So it says complete the sentences with the word less or more. So James has something burgers and Nicola has something burgers. Which one are you going to put less or more in? Have a look at them and work it out. Okay, so you need to work out. Okay, I'll help you with this one. Okay, let me read it with you. Layla was selling drinks at the school fair. At the end of the day, she sold how many teas?
3.
And how many coffees?
7.
And it says complete the sentence with more or less. So let's think about it. Layla sold cups of tea. Did she sell more or less cups of tea? See, it comes out and then it goes back in.
No.
You can use this one.
No, don't.
Ella, would you possibly swap with us to use that one instead? Thank you,
Yay! Well done.
Right, are you listening? Well done, Ella.
Yay.
So, Layla sold more or less cups of tea. So let's look at it. She's got 3 cups of tea. Let's do 3 blocks up. Yeah, so this is her cups of tea. 1, 2, 3. And she sold. Look at it.
I could give us an up. A big kiss. Yes, we're all friends.
Right, so look. She made how many cups of coffee?
I like kiss.
Pig.
Ella.
No, we're not kissing Ella.
Okay, I kisses.
You love kisses.
Yes. Yay!
If you do good maths, you can ask her again. Right, looking. Let's do this one together. Let's do this one together because it's a bit tricky, okay? It says Layla was selling drinks at a school fair. At the end of the day, she sold 3 cups of tea and 7 cups of coffee. So these are the teas, 1, 2, 3, and this is the coffee, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it says Layla sold more or less cups of tea. Okay, so did she sell, looking at the 2 towers, did she sell this one more or less? Is that more or less than this one? Lance and Ella, concentrate. Looking.
Ella.
Okay, we're not talking about loving Ella, we're talking about doing maths.
Ella, it's here. Okay, Ella, me, and play.
After you do maths, yes, you get to play. Isn't that the rules? Right, so looking at this, she sold 3 cups of tea and 7 cups of coffee. Which tower is bigger? That one. So, if it's bigger, did she sell more coffee? The bigger tower is the more, isn't it?
Yay!
That one's more, and this one is. If the big tower is more.
Whoa! Come back.
If the big. Lance, concentrate. If the big tower is more, the little tower is. What's the opposite of more? More and.
More less.
Less. Okay. So this is the tea. So Layla sold less cups of tea. Okay, we've had to help you with that one. More and less, still a challenge. Right. Ella, you playing with the thing now. Let's have that pencil instead. Right. So this one, complete the sentence with more or less. Less and more. Okay. Lance, could you be quiet while we concentrate on Ella's question? No, but I tell you what, while you're doing this one, while I'm doing this one, you can count how many ice lollies. So James has...
No, go.
No, we're not going to go. No, we're not going to go. Okay, I tell you what we're going to do.
No.
We are going to count the ice lollies together, okay?
No.
Lance, is this what you do with your TA at school?
No.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
I think this is an example of exactly what's happening at school with Lance at the moment. Yeah, not complying and not wanting to do things. Getting back into routine has been quite a difficulty. But Lance is learning that you only get treats if you do good work.
Me too.
Yeah, no flip-flops if you don't do good work. Isn't that right, Lance? Oh, think about it. Anyway, Ella, let's go back to this question. Okay, so more or less. Does James have more or less burgers? Have a look. Does James have more or less burgers?
Less.
How many has he got? So he has 3, and how many has Nicola got?
1.
1. Okay, so James has got a tower of 1, 2, 3 burgers, and Nicola has a tower of 1 burger. Who has more? Who has more? More. Looking at them? Who has more? James or Nicola?
Do you remember my dad called James?
He is called James. So has your dad got more burgers or Nicola?
And Nicola.
Really? Who's got more? Who's got the bigger tower? Who's got the bigger tower?
James.
James has got the bigger tower because James has got a tower of 3 burgers, which is more. So we write more in this one. James has more burgers.
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to write more. Look, it's up here. More. Good copying skills. So, if James has got more, Nicola has got...
More.
How can Nicola have more if James has got more? If James has got more, what's the opposite of more? Nicola has got...
Say.
Does she have the same? Do the towers look the same? No. So if she hasn't got more, she has got...
Less.
Excellent. Right, less in.
Which one's this?
Nicola has...
Less.
Yeah. It's amazing that we keep coming back to it, but more or less is significantly a challenge, and it's coming across collectively as something that we keep having to go back to this concept of more and less and what it actually means in true quantity. And that more isn't just meaning I'd like some more of something, that more is a relative to less as well. So hopefully that makes sense. Right, have you written in less yet? Or were you listening to me talking? Okay, right. Less. Look, it's up here. So Ella's using the keywords in the question to copy out the spelling, which is why we encourage them to match as a pre-number skill, so she can match the word that she's looking for and match it down here. Very good, Ella Bella. Okay, so I'm going to leave those aside. Those were Lance's questions. Right, let's go on with this one. Look at this one. So this is just a quick one. There's no instructions in it. What do you have to do?
That's easy.
Yeah.
That's a bit easy.
Okay. Well, if it's easy, let's see if we can do it quickly.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent. So, which one is the most?
So the 2 is like that 2.
Oh yeah, no, you've done them all correctly. 2, 3, 1, 5 and 4. So which food has the most of them?
The cake one.
What's the most? What would you... The most is hard. The most... Yeah, the biggest number. What's the biggest number? What's the biggest number you've written?
5.
Yeah, so this one has the most. Lovely word, most. Which has the least? What's the smallest number? The least. Looking at it, which one has got the least? Is 4 the least?
No.
Is 4 the smallest number that you've got?
How about candy?
No.
Oh, sweet.
No, because 3 the smallest number you've got.
Is that candy? What is it?
What is the least?
It's like 3.
What is the least? It's the smallest number. What's the smallest number? Looking at them, which is the smallest number? Smallest number? Looking at them. The smallest number is
2.
2, 3, 1 or 4?
I think it's 4.
I think 4 is a bigger number than 2.
Yeah.
3 is a bigger number than 2.
Yeah.
Is 1 a bigger number than 2?
I think. I don't know.
No. So 1 is the least amount. It's the smallest number. Excellent. Right. Have to quickly match the numbers.
That's hard. Can't do that.
Really? Well, what are these numbers down this side?
4, 6, 10.
What number was that one?
2.
2, 6 and 10.
Yeah.
And you have to match them with these ones. So which one has got 2?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? How are you going to work it out?
That one.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do 6.
Mm-hmm.
Is it that one? No.
No, it's not. So which one must it be then?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct.
Yeah.
Let's do 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep.
Excellent. Good work. Ella matched them all to the number. And she decided to check that last one was definitely 10. Oh, now this is an interesting one. And for those of you who are on our subscription service, you will know that at the moment we're missing some worksheets on ordinal numbers, but I've been working really hard and hopefully in the next week we should be publishing them. So we're going to look, some of them will look like this. So, this is an interesting one. Can you help me read it?
That's easy.
The
Children.
Q to go to the dentist. What's this? It's the toilet. So look, the children queue to go to the toilet. This is Kit, this is Ben, this is Sue, this is Zach, this is Zoe.
So Zoe didn't know Henry, so it has to be a flower girl.
Oh, Zoe's your auntie. You wanted to get married to Henry so you can be flower girl.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Right, so this says, it says who is...
What's his name?
Zach.
Oh, Zach.
So this one says who is second in the line. So who's first in the line? Yeah, so who's second in the line?
What's his name again?
You could read it. Kit.
A kid.
Yeah, so if she's first...
See, do you remember my brother will got Kit, her friend.
He has. You're absolutely right. But this Kit looks like a girl. So we have worked out that Kit is first. Yeah, first. So it's saying who is second?
Ben.
Ben, correct. Do you want to write Ben in? No. Do you want me to write Ben in? Ben, okay. And then it says who is, what's that number?
Suze.
Who's that number?
That's Ben and that's Suze.
Yeah, but what's this number down here? That was me.
4.
Fourth. Who is fourth in the line? Well, we've worked out that Ben is, look, we've worked out that Kit is first, Ben is second. What's Sue? What position is she in? First, second. Sue is in...
Let's call Susan or Suze.
Sue. Sue is in what position? First, second... I'll help you. What comes after second? Third. It's a hard word. Can you look at me? Say third. Third. Okay, so what comes after third?
4.
Fourth. Okay, so we've worked out who is fourth in the line.
Susie. Sorry.
Looking at it, who is fourth in the line? Looking at it. It will help if you look at it, Ella. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Which one is, who is fourth? You can point. Which one is fourth?
No, I mean there was a boy.
Who was fourth? So, what's that? First?
Yep.
Second?
Yep.
Third?
1.
Fourth? Who's fourth? Zach.
Zach.
Okay, now the last question is actually, who is last in the line? Who's last in the line?
Zoe.
Zoe, good work. There you go. So hopefully you'll be pleased to know there'll be a load of those worksheets coming your way if you're on the subscription. Right, we have got a couple more sheets. Simple adding and subtracting.
Remember?
Yeah.
So that's me. I didn't have pencils, and Pam's got pencils.
Yeah. How many have you got?
None.
You've got 0 pencils. So how many has Lance got? Lance has? How many?
Got 0.
Yeah, how many has Lance got? Lance has got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So Lance has got,
5.
up above, yeah, 5. And what does it say here? So that's 5. Remember to do our neck.
Oh yeah,
Lance gives Ella how many?
2.
Okay.
That's easy.
Okay, excellent. I look forward to seeing how easy it is. How many does Lance have left? How are you going to work it out? Is it an add or a take away?
I'm going to take ice.
Is it an add or a take away? Lance has got 5. He gives Ella 2.
Take away.
Take away. Okay, so what's my sum? He has 5 and he gives Ella 2. So he has 5. What's he going to do? He's going to. Which 2 is he going to give Ella?
Pencil.
Which 2?
Right, that one.
Okay, this one?
Yeah.
This one here? Not that one. That one's one that you're writing with. This one? Look, shall we go like that? Ooh. So he doesn't have that one anymore. He's given it to Ella.
Yeah.
And this one?
Yeah.
He's given it to Ella.
Awesome.
So he had 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had 5.
Yeah.
He gave away 2. He took away 2
Yeah.
to give to Ella.
Yeah.
How many has he got left?
That's all.
Well, have a look. Have a look. It shows you in the picture. How many has he got left?
2.
How many has he got left? No, that's how many Ella has. How many has got Lance got left? So he doesn't have these 2 anymore. How many has he got left? Looking. He's got 3 left. Because look, he had 5. He gave away 2. And he was left with 3. Okay? Right, we've got 2 more to do. And then we're done for the day. You're doing really well even though Lance has left us. Okay? So this one. Okay?
I did it. I got a pencil.
You got a pencil. Right, you've got lots of pencils. Lance has how many?
Oh my god, that's easy. 2.
Okay, write it in. Lance has got
2.
2.
2.
2. Write it in.
2.
Lance has got 2. Ella has? Ella has
4.
4. Write it in. And what does this say?
How many do they have together?
Yeah, how many do they have together? Is that an add or a take away? What is all together? Add. Okay. Write your sum.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excellent. So where are we going to put the 6?
Yeah.
So that's the answer. So what's the sum? What was in here?
2 and 4.
No, not 2 and 4. Look, this bit in between. Yeah, so 2, add. What goes on that side? 2 add 4. So the 4 goes the other side of the add sign. 2 add 4 equals 6. 2 add 4 equals 6. Yeah? Excellent. Right, last one. Nice little one to end, some data. Right.
Oh yeah, it's like a pink hat.
A pink, what colours have you got? Pink and Black. So it says Brooklyn needs to sort and count by colour. And this is black.
Yeah.
And it says how many, and this is pink, and it says how many. So what are you going to do? Pink first, okay. So
that's a queen and the hat. No, that's a bat. And the bow tie. And no, black.
yeah, so what do we think we have to put in here? Because it's, what does it say here? What does it say looking at it?
How many?
How many? So what are we going to put in here?
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, looking, what colour is that?
Pink.
Did we count that one?
No.
No. Shall we check again how many pink ones we have? 6. You're right, we have to be careful that we... Now, Ella, where did we put that one? What does that say?
That's black.
Yeah, so where should we put our 6?
Here.
Yeah, so we'll just scribble that out and you put 6 in the pink. 6. So what do we need to do in the black one? We have to count how many black items there are. How many black are there?
1, 2, 3.
Excellent. And where do we put the 3? Where do we put the 3?
Here.
Where would we put the 3? Because we've counted, it's what colour?
It's like Mrs. Jones.
It is like Mrs. Jones.
His name?
Brooklyn.
I put clean.
Yeah, so where do we put our 3 for a black? This is the last thing that you need to do. Where do you put your 3? Where did you put your 6 for pink? Pink, 6, black. Where should we put our 3? Excellent. Good work. Right, that's us done for the day. So, we've done a refresher of all the different things that we need to do in maths, and that's why the general workbooks that I'm going to be publishing weekly will have 10 like that cross-sectional worksheets in them, doing a refresher of everything. Okay, because it's nice to get us back into the flow of remembering everything that we forgot during the summer because we didn't do any maths, did we? No. But you did do some maths. I know you did some maths. Anyway, thank you very much, Ella. What do we say?
Thank you.
Bye. See you again soon.